And now, our weekly message from the Nebraska College of Technical Agriculture in Curtis.
Hey friends, I'm Tera Horky, an ag education major from Sargent, Nebraska, and I'm starting my final year here at NCTA. My classes and experiences are preparing me for my future as an ag teacher and FFA advisor. Just last weekend, I got the opportunity to work at the State Fair Beef Pit alongside friends and faculty. Opportunities like that show how NCTA connects us to the industry and to our community. I've gained confidence through leadership roles, serving as a resident assistant, giving campus tours as an ambassador, and being active in clubs like Women in Ag, Farm Bureau, 4-H and FFA, and even Ag Mechanics. These groups have helped me make great friends and memories. In the classroom, I like how NCTA has hands-on learning, whether it's plants, animals, or even welding. After graduation, I'll transfer to a 4-year school for my bachelor's degree, and then hope to fill one of Nebraska's many ag teaching jobs. With over 200 FFA chapters and 13,000 students in ag courses, I can't wait to help shape the future of agriculture. I'm so thankful for the caring faculty and friends I've met at NCTA. Seniors, consider joining me as an Aggie. Visit ncta.unl.edu to sign up for a tour. Our small, friendly campus will make a big impact on your future.